Hello, friends. My name is Reno from Easy Trade Racing, and welcome to today's episode, which I'm going to call Is It Mine? Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Can you even see anything? Dear Reno. Happy birthday to you. What is in this mahoose of boxes? Well, you're about to find out, because I'm going to rip it open. Right, I'm going to take this box off the table so that I can put the car on the table. Standard nitty gritty stuff. It is something you have seen before, but it never gets old. I so badly wish it was my birthday, guys, but it is past. And this beauty belonged to Easy Trade Racing for a short period of time and has been sold and has to go to its new owner. Why am I unboxing it, you might ask? Because the owner bought a roller. The owner does not want the engine, and it is cheaper for me to send the car to us with an engine and strip it out rather than asking Roven not to send it with an engine. Bizarre, right? Let's have a look inside. Let's put that away so it doesn't get scratched. Oh my gosh. So I've had one of these before, the very first model that Roven brought out, and they've made a couple of changes to their cars. So this I can clearly see is their new car just because of a few slight changes. And number one is the battery box. The battery box changed from the first model. It only had a single servo. This got a double servo with alloy servo arms and a new alloy servo arm on the throttle, and this awesome quick filling tank with a breather valve. That also changed. Oh, that's not all. They've also changed the tires. They've got these new hard foam, I don't know what it is inside. I've never had a set of these in the shop because we do not have a lot of people with these cars in South Africa yet, but we will make them more. What I'm also going to do is strip one of these tires to learn more about them before we send it off. All right, dudes, and maybe dudettes, my job here is simple. I gotta remove the heart without scratching anything. Cool. I'll see you when this is a roller. All right, we're about to strip this tire just so that I can show you why I want to strip it and why it's different. There's no inner beadlock. There's only an outer beadlock. It's thicker than a normal beadlock, and I can't see how this beadlock is pulling the tire on. Look here, the tire like can make a gap there, but I don't know how it goes together. Some of you watching has already stripped some of these tires, and you already know what it's like, and you already know it's simple, and you understand it. But I am a virgin, all right? Let me just enjoy it. Oh, okay. So I just pushed on the rim. Rim popped that way. Oh my hell. Beadlock pops that way. And inside is like a plastic disc. Let me just see if there's a one way that this thing goes in so that I can put it back. Nope, it looks like it can go in either way. So the tire and inner pulls over this plastic inner rim. Come on! But man, this rubber grips. So there's this plastic inner disc that slides into the inner foam. Oh my goodness, look at this. And it's very rubbery, it's very grippy. That's why I struggled to get the tire off, because this thing just sticks to this plastic. And then the tire is about, I don't know, 4 mils thick. It feels very grippy. It feels like a soft rubber. It's going to give you a lot of grip, but I don't know how long it will last. It is a 160 by 65. So I wonder how they perform. One day I will have one of these. I will buy it for myself. For now, this customer must be like insanely happy with his purchase. The reason why I'm stripping out the engine is because he's got a Zenoah G320 that will go in here, and man, this thing is gonna move. There we go, good as new, absolutely perfect flush tire. This is so awesome. I'm looking forward to hearing the feedback on the use of these tires. Right, so time to unbox the second car and show you what's in there. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. It's another F5. Yeah, boy. And it is also the same customers. Right, let's get this one back in its box, and then I'll show you how this body comes off. I'm also going to show you how the engine comes out. It is amazingly simple. Right, so this body shell has 10 clips that holds it on. 2 in the back, 4 either side, 2 on the front body post, and 2 on the bumper. Little by little. You can't just pull it off like a Baja body. But what I did do with my first model is I cut a hole in the side of the body so that I can get the engine started. Oh, it was here in the back. There's like a window here. I cut this window out so that I can get to the full start. And there we go. It just comes off. The customer specifically asked for clear body shells because they want to do a custom paint job on each car to make it their own unique car. So most of you are Baja lovers, and you know how much there is involved to remove a Baja engine. Well, this is insane. Check this out. You've got one screw holding a little cover over the gears that comes off, and it is a self-tapping screw, so it actually screws out pretty fast. Then next, this engine is bolted to an aluminium bottom chassis plate, and that aluminium chassis plate is bolted to the main chassis, and it's only held on by 3 bolts. One there, one there, and one there. You do want a 4 mil hex wrench that's quite long to get in there. You undo those 3 bolts and watch the magic happen. And then there is one more screw that's holding this spacer type of thing onto the center diff top. That is a 3 mil hex wrench, and that comes off. And bam, engine is out. Disconnect the fuel lines. Obviously, if you have fuel in your tank, you will have to drain the pipes properly. You'll have to lift your pipes to get the fuel running down into the tank. That's what it looks like. Alloy plate held on with 4 bolts onto the engine, and the engine bolted down with those 3 little plates with a 4 mil hex screws. As easy as that, guys. Check that out. So now I've got to strip off the air filter, this plate, and the exhaust so that we can keep the engine, and all the parts will go with this car to the customer. And to end this video off, I will give you guys some close-ups of this car's full chassis.
That's all I need. I'll make it. Yeah. That's all I need.